journey's longer than most can imagine, with scars that remind me I'll never be weak. I speak in a language of honor, a voice that the shallow could never critique. Verses are monuments like statues that speak Roman and Greek. Rap is oversaturated, these niggas far from unique. And I still wake up to the echoes of choices I made, moments I cherish, and all the debts that I still gotta pay. Stumbling, falling, but shit, I'm learning to breathe through the pain. Sitting in silence, I'm hearing these cosmic rhymes. The universe always speaking in imperceptible signs. Always follow the rhythm that destiny redefines, not to mention where the path of eternity realigns. Been standing in the struggle, but I never lost my flame, and the setbacks remind me the beauty is in the pain. I'm fragile, I'm human, they know me as stubbornly strong. A melody of the struggle and rhythm found in a song, that's me.